All right, friends, to get started on this, we want to, of course, be underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and remove this right here. It's for your air temp sensor. I always like to take a peek, make sure there's no funny colors. Loosen up this clamp right here. Let's move along to removing this mounting bolt right there. Let's get this off of here. There we go. Let's lift this straight up and then slide it off of here and set this aside. At this point, we have a nice clear view of all of our coils. We have some along the driver's bank and of course along the passenger bank. To go ahead and remove them, if you press on this tab right where my thumb is, you should be able to kind of push this off. Always take a peek. That looks good. Grab your wire, give it a nice twist, and pull it right off of there. Right down along here, you're going to be able to see the mounting bolt. Go ahead and remove that as well. Okay, once that's loose, go ahead and wiggle this, draw it up. There's our coil, friends. Let's take a little blowgun, put some air in there. Now we're going to continue on with a little bit of dielectric grease. There's going to be 3 areas that I want to coat. Right along this area right here, that goes onto the spark plug. This area right here for the electrical. And then of course this area right here, which is where that wire is going to go on. That's going to help keep moisture out of all these areas. Let's move along. Slide this right down in here. Line up our bolt hole. Now we're going to snug this up and then we'll torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Get our connector in here. Give it a nice tug. Perfect. Move along to your spark plug wire. Give it a nice twist. Work in that dielectric grease. You would do the same to the rest. Let's go ahead and get this on here. I'm going to slide this in. Lift it up in the front, slide it back like this, and now push it down like that. That kind of locks it in on the back side. Let's get our hose on here. Nice wiggle. Let's snug this up. Perfect. Move along to your mounting bolt under here. Give this a nice tug. Make sure it's completely secured. Make sure it's sitting bottomed out all the way along down here. You want to make sure that has a good seal so you don't get any dirty air getting drawn into your engine. Also double check this, make sure that's tight as well. Very important. Let's move along to connecting in our air temp sensor. Get a nice click, a nice tug. There we are. That feels great. The next thing you would want to do is go ahead and start up your engine and make sure it purrs like a kitten.